crazy excited today. I'm going to pick up a dirt bike. Dude, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man. Like I told your dad, I hope to see you at the track sometime,
Yeah, I
man.
hope so.
Add me on Facebook. We'll get up and ride together sometime.
You can get a shot with it on the back of it, or...
I got me a dirt bike. Out here at County Line MX. It's like 30 minutes outside of Wilmington. I'll be lying to say if this is my first ride back after I got my bike. I didn't really like document much of that. I was mainly focused on just kind of riding, kind of getting back into it. I did, however, have to rebuild the entire engine, whole bottom end and top end.
Oh, those boys. Ah, watch them boys go.
We got her back up and running now, and she's riding pretty good. But yeah, just gonna get ready for the day and get some laps in. I have to work tonight, so I can't stay too long. That's how I check to make sure it's good to go. Alright, successful day. Next time, I'm gonna hit that triple. That guy right there. I have a question. Is it possible to make quality content? Like actual good media for people to consume. So you're not wasting your time. So I can justify making this movie. Okay, another question. Is advertising a money-sucking trap? can I make money from this without showing an ad? So you're not wasting your time. So I can justify making these movies. You know, the cynic in me thinks that we're all kind of selling something. Like, I'm selling you a waste of your time. You pay me in attention. Nowadays, that's a pretty profitable business. Okay, last question. Is it possible to make art? Or is it all just content? Am I naive for thinking that I can make art? Or is it arrogant to think that one is better than the other?
Hey, Winston.
Hey, Mason.
Where are we?
Greenfield Lake Amphitheater.
Oh, shoot.
This is like that time we opened for Sam Bush, but this time we opened for Keller and the Keels, which is like in the same category of badassery. Feeling alright. Alright.
We're gonna play y'all a new unrecorded, unreleased, unyet played today song. And Greenfield, dancing in Greenfield.
You can dance at Greenfield too. Cutting the rug and cutting some concrete, whatever you got to cut.
Don't be scared now, don't be scared.
I want a little lippy girl with dreadlocks down to her waist, with paint and makeup all in pretty colors on her face. We could dance all around and all in the crowd. Oh me, oh my, we'd say out loud. I want a little lippy girl with dreadlocks down to her waist. I wanna see a bunch of people with smiles all over their face. Well, they're cutting a rug and dancing all over the place. Standing on the stage saying, look at the crowd. Oh me, oh my, we'd say out loud. I wanna see a bunch of people with smiles all over their face. I wanna live in the world where the rich don't take from the poor. Took all of my furniture and now I gotta sleep on the floor. But I still make my mama proud. Oh me, oh my, she'd say out loud. I wanna live in the world where the rich don't take from the poor.
Gotta keep limber.
What is this? Wait, it's the finger massage. Somebody else got that. Yeah, that's great.
So today is a very special day for us. This is the first time we are playing at Greenfield Lake Amphitheater, y'all. And we are so very happy to be here. Spent a lot of time in Wilmington. Will Maxwell over there on the fiddle, Connor Kozlowski on electric guitar, both live here in town. Derek lived here for a long time. I lived here for about 7 years. Winston crashed on a lot of couches down here.
We're doing autographs.
If you ever didn't have your bass with you and it was on stage, can you mimic this with your voice? Alright? Alright, so do it without the bass. Alright. I'm not feeling too good myself. Feeling alright. Not feeling too good myself.
In the crowd, oh me, oh my, we'd say out loud. I want a little lippy girl with dreadlocks down to her waist. I want a little lippy girl with dreadlocks down to her waist. I want a little lippy girl with dreadlocks down to her waist.
Thank y'all so much. We're into the fog of Raleigh, North Carolina. We got Will Maxwell on the fiddle. We got Brian Stevenson on the guitar, Connor Kozlowski on the electric guitar, Derek Lane on the bass guitar. My name is Winston Mitchell. That's Mason, our photographer.
Hi, Mason.
Thank y'all so much. We'll see you again real soon. Stick around for Keller and the Keels.